Hey guys, today is a tutorial on how to make the best avalanche slime. I don't know about you guys, but avalanche slimes are actually so stunning. Probably one of the most beautiful slimes ever. Anyways, let's jump right into the video and bring this avalanche slime to life. First, to prepare the clear slime, mix clear glue and water, then stir. Once it's mixed in, it's time to add the activator. The activator mix that has worked well is half a teaspoon of borax mixed with 1 cup of warm water. Make sure to put your activator into a different container and label it so you don't get it mixed up as water. Now that you have your activator, slowly add it into the mix until you start to get these strands of clear slime. Then start to knead it with your hands and eventually it'll turn into this consistent, stretchy texture. Finally, let it rest for 3 days so the bubbles clear up into this super clear slime. Next, to prepare the white slime, which will be used as the falling avalanche parts of the slime, mix white glue and activator, then stir. Once it becomes more like slime, start to knead it with your hands until you get this consistent, stretchy texture. Once the white slime is ready, it's time to color it. Now guys, you can use any color you want, but for this avalanche theme, use pink, yellow, green, blue, and lastly, purple. After the slime is all colored, it's time to grab a container and fill it with the clear slime first. Then layer your colored slime on top like this and poke down with a straw. Then let it rest for a few days so gravity does its work and it should turn out like this. How pretty does it look though guys? It's such a beautiful slime. At first it didn't look like the slime would turn out as aesthetic as the proper avalanche slimes you see everywhere, but then after waiting a few days it just became this majestic slime. It's like an ugly caterpillar evolving into a beautiful butterfly. Also guys, if you let the avalanche slime rest for too long, it'll look like this and it's kinda gross. So anyways, it feels bad to ruin this artwork, but it's time to pour it out and play with it. Alright guys, this is how to make the avalanche slime. Hope this helps step up your slime game. What kind of slimes have you always wanted to learn how to make? Make sure to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more slime satisfaction to come. See you in the next one. Bye guys, love you!